Hello everyone. Thank you for joining us and sharing your inspiring speeches in our competition. We're so thrilled to have determined such talent and dedication. Keep practicing and challenging yourself to grow even further. We wish you all the best in your journey ahead and keep up the great work.
Hello. Good morning. Most of you may have heard the phrase save the environment or protect the planet. But does anyone really know what it means? I mean, yeah, sure. We all know it involves the action of maybe not littering or taking public transportation. But does anyone really grasp its importance? Does anyone really know why do we have to do that? Why does this matter? Good morning, esteemed judges. My name is Aqila. I'm from SMP Mini School, and let me explain to you why this matters. For starters, according to the government, Jakarta alone produces 7,000 tons of trash each day. Can you imagine that? 7,000 each day. Let alone other cities. And it doesn't really make it better when our waste management system isn't really that effective. Most of the time we just dump out trash and leave it there to decompose. Or in some cases, we burn the trash, which isn't really a more effective option. The carbon dioxide from burning waste can contribute more to climate change by destroying the ozone layer, and using petrol-powered vehicles like cars and motorcycles can also contribute more to this problem. And in our daily life, we also face issues like gas emissions, oil spills, and water contamination, and so many more. While this may sound bad, there is a way we can help. According to the United Nations, we can help by doing things such as saving energy. For instance, turning off your air conditioners when on use, or replacing your light bulbs with LED energy efficient ones. We can also focus more on reducing, reusing, and recycling. Mending your torn clothes instead of just discarding them, or making pots for your plants from used plastic bottles. We can also do things such as walking or cycling or taking public transportation to close places that don't need vehicles to reduce the pollution there is in the air. And there are many more ways we can save the environment. It's not only these. By doing this, we can help protect vital ecosystems and prevent endangered species from going extinct. We can safeguard our economy and enhance our food security by reducing crop losses. And the benefits to saving the environment doesn't only limit to physical benefits, it can stretch as far as to mental benefits. For example, if we save energy, the electric bills will be as high and we have a much healthier and cheaper lifestyle. And there are many more ways we can save the environment, and it's such a shame that not many people are educated enough about it. We have to do something, we have to take action. You guys, all of us, we can do something. We have to make a change. And we can start today. Once again, I am Aqila from SMP Mini School. I thank you all for your attention.